Ecolution patented micropop microwave popcorn popper in-depth reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 55,839 ratings and 5,427 reviews. 83% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 9% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said perfect. Clever little thing, the well in the lid to measure the kernels, the holes for the melted butter to drip in, perfect batch the first try. No unpopped kernels and best of all dishwasher safe. Highly recommend. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Burnt popcorn at 1000 watts, not a fan. I really wanted to like this, it's a beautiful design. I gave it my best shot buying fresh gourmet popcorn and reading the directions multiple times. Unfortunately, for me this resulted in burnt popcorn. Since there is no movement of the popcorn, the first popped kernels burned before the final kernels popped. When we smelled the burning popcorn, we removed the popper from the microwave only to find a large amount of unpopped kernels. We tried multiple varieties, different people, different timings, and consistently ended up with burnt popcorn and unpopped kernels. I suppose it could be my 1000W microwave. Maybe it works better at a different wattage. That's it.
Pop, pop, pop. This is so cool. Voila! Yummy popcorn!
It's pretty melted. Looks good. That was 2 minutes.
Alright guys, here is the mini popcorn maker. This is the snack size version. So this has a little container, a little top right here. Then that's where you pour your kernels in. So let me show you that. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to comment. This thing is adorable. It's so cute. Alright, I'm pouring this over to my left hand. So, alright. Just right to the fill line. So handy because that is your measuring tool for the container. So then just watch, I'm just going to flip it in. Okay, now you have the option, you can add up here like a little pat of butter if you want, and that way when it heats up in the microwave, it'll all melt down, or you could just skip it, keep it healthy. The directions say that you can also just melt the butter and add it after it's all popped. That way too. Okay, I'm gonna go pop this in my microwave for about, I want to do 2 minutes 30 seconds. They say to do anywhere between 2:30 to 3. All right, here it is right out of the microwave. You can see the steam. So this says to be careful about all that steam. Just gonna show you here. Take the lid off. Yeah, steam definitely comes out. Really good. So this is the snack size. I feel like that's a nice amount. And then from here you can add whatever toppings you want, butter, whatever. Yeah, crunchy and good.